Alright, had to make a move to underneath the bridge here. Hopefully can catch something before the sun goes completely down. Got a little shaky head, tequila sunrise worm, Corrado 200 P-line Copolymer. Hopefully we can get something. Last spot, Anthony, co-angler, and Marco, special guest, were able to land a fish. Got it on video for you guys. We're just amateur fishermen who just really like to bass fish. So if that's what you like to see in the DFW area, follow me. I have an Instagram, post pics of basses that I catch around town. One thing you guys should know is you don't need a expensive setup to have fun and go bass fishing. If you'd like me to do a budget recommendation of rods and reels, spinning, bait casting, let me know. Or if you have any questions, leave comments below. Even on if you're new to it and you don't know how to use a bait caster, I can help you out with that. So simply, I'm kind of just moving this worm pretty fast. Guess I should slow it down. It is a shaky head setup. So. Yeah. Yeah. Didn't get really any bites there. Might go on the other side. Not sure if that's a fish or a log. Let's see. It's a log. Let's see here. Oh no, that was a fish. Got him. All right. Just make sure we don't lose them here. I don't want to pop my line. Let's go. Let's see how we hooked them there. Oh, got a nice, decent one too. Make sure he doesn't shake. It might come off. Get some daylight on this one. Oh no, I nose hooked him good. He's not going anywhere. Let's get out my clippers. I mean my thing so I can hold them here without hurting them. And if you don't have any of these guys, I suggest that you get them because they do come in handy without hurting the fish. Get the hook out. Let's give them a nice little weight here. Let's see what we get. It's good to have a nice little backpack here for you guys. Let's zero our weight. See what we got. I thought I saw a fish. I slowed it down, did the shaky head. We got 275 there for you guys. And he's ready to go back in. So let's put him back in. Let's go get a quick photo for my Instagram page. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and follow me. So let's get a nice release. That's a nice fish, 2.77.